It was a big time for Pimiento in the 1950s. They would be horse and buggy strung from the plant, which is on the southeast side of town, all the way to downtown Woodbury, waiting to get their pimentos graded and weighed. And of course, when the plant closed, it was devastating. Yes, it was. People then began to have to go somewhere else to find a job, so a lot of them chose to move. And it's sad to see something that's that vibrant in a community, to see it die. And when it goes away, it has quite an economic impact on the community. We were the pimento capital of the world. And we had license plates that said, Woodbury, Georgia, pimento capital of the world. We had, of course, the festival that crowned a queen each year, and we had some big-name dignitaries to speak at the festival.
I'm Betty Jean Waddell, and I was the first pimento queen from Woodbury, Georgia, and so proud to be that. This is a picture of all the contestants. Oh gosh, my crown. I don't know what happened to my pimento. My daddy grew peppers, and I used to help him grade the peppers under an old shed. And then the pepper plant, came in. That was a big industry here for Woodbury.
When we started working with Woodbury, the very first thing that we noticed was the approach from the leadership to us. There were positive things that were already kind of happening. Woodbury is located on a main drag that sees a lot of pass-through traffic. There were a lot of cars that were going through Woodbury on any given day, but not stopping. Some of the things that we recommended: investment in certain buildings downtown and redoing their parking in Main Street and in the surrounding areas, and creating gateways. So you start seeing more people downtown, you start seeing things happening, new stores locating there, and that gives people a reason to stop. I think we see ourselves as catalysts, and we see the work that we do as catalyzing work. Following on Georgia Tech's motto of progress and service, I think out in the state is exactly where Georgia Tech needs to be. We have access to a lot of resources, and we have built relationships all over the state. Our mission as economic developers is unbiased, and we are kind of a third party. We don't have any other stake in the work that we do except for seeing a community succeed.
It's a shot in the arm to us. It's so different now to come and see all those empty buildings, having antique stores in them, seeing all the new restaurants, places to eat, seeing some money come back into the community. It's a real refreshing.
That's why we moved back to Woodbury, and I'm so glad I did. It was home. It's always been home, Yeah. A lot of good memories here.